To set up Game Booster on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, first let's open a settings on our phone, then we can scroll down to the advanced features right here. That way you'll be able to find Game Booster settings, and the first option is to change the game optimization profile to battery saver, balanced, or performance. Performance gives you, as it says, best performance during gaming, so if you like to game, then I recommend to switch to that option. Next is to customize it for individual games, so we can click on it and then select the game that we want. In this case, I'm going to go for Subway Surfers, as that is the only game that I have, and we can select the options to customize them. We can go for the standard game optimization and set it to performance. We can then change the maximum FPS for that game, and if you want, you can go for the highest option. Screen resolution also can be set to higher level if you prefer quality over performance, and frame booster can be activated to boost your FPS. Then click on save, and your optimization for a game booster will be set up for that game, and that is basically everything.